Hi, this is Neha Vij from the Heirloom Privilege. This is our first exhibition in Goa, and we've brought together 15 artists from all over India and curated a show for you. We have Naval Kishorji from Delhi, we have Rajesh Sharma, we have Madan Lalji from Chandigarh, and Gauri Verma from Gurgaon. So we have put together all these artists and brought a beautiful experience for you. Please come and see. This is Vivek Jain from Delhi, Madan Lalji from Chandigarh, Naval Kishore ji from again Delhi. He does cubism art. Reena Singh from Delhi. Mohit Nayak from Goa. Mohan Nayak from Goa. Damodar ji from again a Goan artist. Prakash Chandwekar, Delhi. Lalit Bhatt, Delhi. This is Manish from Himachal. Rajesh Sharma from Delhi, landscape artist. And that's a company.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from JSW Steel. Welcome to JSW Avante. Here we are representing steel doors and steel windows. So we have 4 different finishes, the wood finish, the plain finish and the embossed finish, and also we have the commercial purpose fire doors, so which is useful for the staircase exit, hospital projects and etc. So we can also use for the residential segment the steel doors. So please do visit our stall and please help us with exploring Goa.
Yeah, hi. Welcome to Two Square. We are from Italy. We are 15-year-old company. We provide end-to-end solution. We are into interior designing, space planning, manufacturing of furniture and fabrication. We have done a couple of retail projects and residential, and we work with high-end brands. And this is our first year in India. In India, we have launched our brand called Valley Projects. We are based out of Mumbai, and it's a design office working exclusively for our Italian clients and Italian office. So welcome.
Hello, hi, I'm Andrea Barreto. I'm representing Godrej at the Hyde Expo. We are having a wide range of safes and lockers. We are having from home lockers to our hotel lockers, from 100x, from 250x range to 10x range. Come visit us to get the best security solutions for your home and for all your assets.
So hi everyone. We are from Delhi. My brand name is Innokit and we are exhibiting our products in Hyde exhibition. So we are doing kitchen, wardrobe and doors. As you can see behind me, we have a display of kitchens. We are doing doors and we are doing wardrobes. We have different finishes available. It's all manufactured in Delhi and we are doing several projects in Goa as well right now. Morjim, Anjana, Kalangut. We are doing villas, apartments and studio apartments.
Hi, this is Devlina Sarkar. I'm the owner of a Shipra. This is the opportunity which we have taken to participate in this hospitality and design exhibition at Goa. Thank you so much for that. We are into handcrafted wooden furnitures into all sort of categories like cafes, restaurants and the residentials which can be specialized in Goa. We are really happy to be part of this exhibition here. We have launched many of the good products which can be replaced and which can be come up with a few new ideas here in all your cities.
Hello everyone, my name is Yash Gaur. I'm a deputy manager of Fujitsu General. As you can see behind, we are having a lot of range of General ACs. You can see that we are having 1 ton ACs, 1.5 ton ACs, 2.5 ton ACs and 3 ton ACs. You can see the outdoors also. So please meet our channel partner. His name is Mohammad Amin.
Yes, hi, good evening everyone. Myself Amin, I'm my company Cool Track Engineering. We are a channel partner for O General Fujitsu air conditioning. So Cool Track is 20-year-old company in Goa. We serving entire Goa market, and after sales support we have 50 plus employees. If any need, requirements, design, execution, we take care of. Thank you. Please do visit our hospitality exhibition in Shyam Prasad, Donapo. Thank you.
Please do visit our stall, stall number 38. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Vishwanath Dev Goswami. I am the regional manager in Pare Innovation Private Limited. I am handling entire Goa state. And Pare Innovation Private Limited is a head office based in Thane, Mumbai, and head office and manufacturing unit is based in Gujarat, Vapi. So we have lots of product, new product like Pare Lux, Buffels, and Innov 2 Plus. Every products are waterproof, fire retardant, and easy to install, quick time saving. First of all, we are the largest manufacturer of PVC panels, wall panels and ceilings also.
Hi, my name is Viola Rodriguez, the director and artist of Vola Artiscape. These are all the collections of artworks that we have, over 150 canvas paintings. We specialize in customized wall murals and canvas artworks. Apart from that, glass painting, face painting, and a lot of other artistic you name it, we paint it. We have art for residential and commercial premises for all your artistic needs. I'm at booth number 6 at Hyde Events. See you there.
So we are at the Hyde exhibition. My name is Magjo Rebello and I represent Invert Air Systems. We are distributors for Mitsubishi air conditioners for the whole of Goa. We can supply you split ACs, ductable ACs, cassette ACs, as well as VRF air conditioners of Mitsubishi air conditioning.
Hi, my name is Dharmesh. I am from Geze, representing Geze here. We are a German-based company, around 163-year-old company, and having all solution related to interior fit-outs as far as architectural hardware is concerned. Any entrance solutions like motors, gate motors, our automatic slidings. So there are various product ranges with us for the interior and exterior application. So as a company representative, I appreciate if you can visit our stall and get the know about Geze.
Hi, this is Keval from Keyless Smart Lock and Smart System Hospitality Products. We are pan-India based. We have a wide range of hospitality products, starts from RFID locks, safe lockers, tea kettle, tray set, hangers, dustbins, hair dryers, D&D panels, energy saving switch, housekeeping trolleys and everything. We have all the hospitality product in under one roof.
हम लोग हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंटीरियर एग्जीबिशन में हैं और हम लोग का उस गांव में खुद का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट है और वॉलड्रॉप्स, बेडरूम सेट, वॉलड्रॉप्स, पीयू, रिक्लाइनर चेयर्स, सोफ़ा. अपना ब्रांड का एक खासियत है, मेटल प्लस वुड का कॉम्बिनेशन में हम लोग फर्नीचर बनाते हैं. उसके साथ में पूरी तरह से फोल्डेबल रहता है और गोवा में एकदम नया कॉन्सेप्ट है ये मेटल प्लस वुड का, और इसी तरह से हम लोग सेवा प्रदान करते हैं.
Myself is Umesh. I am from Square Foot. Square Foot, this company deals in all types of soft floorings like wood, vinyl, carpet, deck flooring. And we are 30 years old company, and we are across India with 15 to 16 showrooms across India, and we can manage any kind of projects across India or even in the neighboring countries also. And we deal, as I said, we deal in all types of wood, all types of vinyl, all types of carpets and the deck flooring. Our products are showcased here in the stores. We have participated in this event, and we are also available in Goa with a proper showroom and the office. And we are available in Pato area in Panjim with a proper gallery where you can walk in and see all the products which are displayed here. All those products are displayed in the Panjim showroom also.
Hi, myself Jafar. I'm representing the brand Zoperos. It's a lighting brand, and we are here for exhibition of 3 days, and we'll be showcasing the best collection which we have recently introduced in our showroom. Our service is in Pan-India. We are based in Delhi NCR, Panipat, 50 miles from the capital. We are offering 30% of exclusive discount for this show. We have a collection of chandeliers, wall lamps, table lamps, the artifacts and all, which are highly appreciated by the interior fraternity in India. And we're looking the business in the locality here in Goa as well. We're doing the business with a lot of interior designers throughout India and the hospitality groups. And we're looking for the good footfall for next 2 days as well.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.